What's going on, everyone? We're looking at a 2023 Kia Sportage today. I'm going to show you how to pull out your cabin filter if you're looking for it. If you want to check yours, we're just checking this one today. This car is actually really new, so I know for a fact it probably won't need one, but I'm going to show you how to get to it. So we're going to need to lower this glove box door, and the first step to doing that is removing this damper right here. This is what slows the glove box down when you open it. All you have to do is pull on it, okay, like this, and we'll disconnect it. Now, the stoppers that stop the glove box from opening all the way, we're gonna have to get around those by just pulling the glove box in, okay, and around. All right, so both sides. I'm just gonna work our way down until the glove box will open up, okay? Now the glove box will come off its hinges. It's not a big deal if it does. You just put it back on. So let me show you. Like, it comes right off like that. Just goes right back on. All right, so here we go. This is the door that holds the cabin filter, all right? Now on this side here, we're gonna end up squeezing these tabs together, okay? There's two of them. Once we squeeze them, we can pull the door off, all right? Well, actually, it'll just fall right off. But this side here is put in like this, okay? There's no tabs to push. And we can just grab the filter, yank it out. Here we go. All right, so this is the filter. It's pretty much brand new. Now, if we notice on this side here, it has an airflow direction. And with this car, the airflow is going down. So when you get your new filter, make sure the arrows for airflow are pointing down. All right, if you need a filter, check the description box. I'll have a link there for a new filter if you need one. You need the part number. But we just put the new one back in, or put the old one back in. Put the door in on that side first, and then we just push. Okay, yeah. We're all good. We just close the glove box door like that. Grab the damper here and snap it back on. Good to go. Video was helpful, and it was. Appreciate it if you drop me a comment, leave me a like. I'll see you guys in the next video.